How's it going, everybody? Patrick here. Hope everybody's safe and healthy. Today we're going to be doing a little laundry experiment. So what I got here is some clean white undershirts. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be staining each of the shirts with 4 different sauces. We got ketchup here. We got soy sauce, sriracha, and last but not least, we have barbecue sauce. So what we're gonna do, like I said, is we're gonna stain each of the shirts and we're gonna wash them on 4 different water temps, and we're gonna see which one is the most effective at removing the stain. We're gonna wash all the shirts with no detergent. So yeah, let's get started. All right, now we have our 4 sauces all laid out. So let's get staining. So first, I'm gonna take the ketchup. I'm gonna squeeze it all out just like that. Get all of it out there. I got a spoon handy, so now we're just gonna smear the stain in, just like that. Now let's move on to the soy sauce. Pour all of this guy just like that. Do the same thing. Take the spoon, smear it around, all like that. Now, sriracha time. So let's squeeze all of that out, just like that. Yeah, would you look at that? Same thing with the sriracha. As I mentioned earlier, hope everybody's staying safe and healthy out there. And lastly, I'm gonna do the barbecue sauce. Really get that barbecue sauce in there. Really try to stain that guy up. Perfect, there we go. Hey guys, just pulled out the shirts from the washing machine, so let's see which one did best. First up, we have our t-shirt washed in cold water only. As you can see, the ketchup stain right here is pretty much out for the most part, but you still see some residue. Next to it is the soy sauce, which is pretty much gone, which I'm very impressed with. Below the soy sauce stain is a barbecue sauce stain, which is similar to the ketchup stain. And right here we got our sriracha stain. So that one, you know, I think just maybe the color or maybe the oils. Regardless, it's really set in. Up next, we have our cold water wash with an extra rinse. So as we could see, the ketchup stain is even fainter. The soy sauce stain is pretty much all the way out. The barbecue sauce stain, in my opinion, looks a little bit better than the other shirt, while the sriracha sauce is still really set in there. Next up, we have our shirt washed in warm water. As we can see here, the ketchup stain relatively similar to the other shirts. The soy sauce stain here, I'm not sure if it's visible to the camera, but it's I'd say more evident in the warm shirt than it is on the other shirts. Here's the barbecue sauce, and then obviously the sriracha sauce. The interesting thing about this shirt is it really looked like it kind of smeared in the washer. So I'm not sure if that was just the cycle or if the water temp contributed to that. And last but not least, we have the hot water. As you can see, ketchup stain still visible. Sriracha stain, obviously really bad. Barbecue sauce stain and soy sauce stain. Kind of like the warm wash, this shirt got really smeared as well. So perhaps it's the water cycle, but perhaps it's the temperature as well. So all in all, I think the best job was the cold water with an extra rinse. As you can see here, the stains are, in my opinion, a lot fainter than the other ones. And I think it makes sense given that ozone works best in cold water. And since we didn't add any type of detergent, you know, it didn't interfere with the ozone properties at all. So I think based on experiment one, the vote in the winner, based upon my opinion and our staff's, is the cold water with the extra rinse. So thanks so much for tuning in, guys. Plan on doing a lot more of these, so stay tuned. And like I said before, hope everyone's staying safe and healthy and, you know, wearing your mask. Thanks so much, guys. All right, guys, a little bit of a closer look. This is the cold water, ketchup stain, sriracha stain, barbecue sauce stain, soy sauce stain. Like I said, cold water shirt came out really well. Moving on, this is the cold water extra rinse. As you can see, ketchup stain, in my opinion, looks a little bit fainter on this shirt. Sriracha stain, still really bad. Soy sauce stain, you can't even see. And then barbecue sauce right here. Moving on to the warm water shirt, ketchup, sriracha, soy sauce, barbecue. Weird thing about this shirt is it's smeared, so I wonder if the warmer water contributed to that. Lastly, the hot, same thing, ketchup, sriracha, barbecue, soy sauce. Just like the warm water shirt, this shirt kind of smeared as well. So it leads me to believe it's perhaps something to do with the water temperature and the fact that there's no detergent, but you know, I'll have to do a little bit more research. So if I were to rank them, I would say this one is the third best. This one, in my opinion, probably the worst. The two cold water ones are really close. I think, you know, the one with the extra rinse edges it out just slightly. But here's just a regular cold water shirt, and it looks pretty good as well. So you guys tell us, you know, what do you think looks cleanest? We'd love to hear your feedback. Thanks again, guys, and stay tuned for more experiments.